Hey, welcome back to Basin Motorsports. I'm Canaan, and today I'm going to remedy the problem of sucky cup holders in my C5 Corvette. Now, you know, in the C5, they're just a flip-up lid. There's a little tray in there, and it doesn't hold anything, maybe some spare change. So out on Thingiverse, people have designed up a little extension that slides over the lid and gives you kind of a halo ring to help hold everything in. So today, I'm going to print myself one out of the silver PLA I have, and I'll show you how it fits in the car. All right, with this, we already have it downloaded, so you notice I have my SD card in, and I already have this converted over from the STL to G code. So we're going to do print from SD. The top one there is the cup holder I want. That's what I want. File's good. Bed is heating. All right, everything is ready to go. It's going to double check the mount here, and then it's going to start printing. Alright, so there's the finished product, completely done. The front left corner, you can kind of see it lifted ever so slightly, but hey, it's a cup holder, not a big deal. So now I just need to let this cool for, I don't know, maybe an hour or so, let it kind of do its own thing, and then I will throw it in the car. I'll grab a soda, see how it fits. Alright, there's going to be your finished product with the piece installed. Nice, holds a can, and it will hold a bottle, so you can just take it out. Simple as that. And when you're done, you don't have any drink in there, you want to close it, pops off, close, and this can go in the console. Well, and just like that, through a little magic of 3D printing, the Corvette Z06 now has a functional, well, upgraded cup holder. So that'll last, and if anything, I'll probably not leave it in the sun, but I'll probably remake it in either ABS or PETG later on for a little bit more heat durability. That PLA probably in the heat of the summer is going to get soft and, well, probably is not going to work very well. But that's okay. It was a test piece, and that's what it is going to be. So with that, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit of 3D printing and seeing the application for it. A lot of stuff to do. So with that, thanks for stopping by. From Basin Motorsports, see you next time.